Hey guys, I'm back. I just wanted to give you a few hints for your assignment this week. Some of you have already done it and done a really good job. If I return it to you, look at it and see what note I wrote you and see what you need to change. So we have a maze. We did a lot of these this year, so you should be pretty familiar with them. You start here where it says start here. And so the first problem is 14 plus negative 30. So remember, you can use your T-chart method. So make your positive and your negative. Put your numbers in. So 14 is positive. 30 is negative. Go ahead and draw my line up here so that separates. Okay, so then you take your smaller one over to the larger one. So 14 is smaller, so I'm going to take it over to the side of the larger one. And whenever I move it over, I have to subtract. So 30 minus 14. Can't take 4 from 0, so I have to regroup and make that a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. And then when I borrowed from that 3, that became a 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. I'm under the negative sign, so my answer is negative 16. So the way you do that, you come over here, you find the piece that fits on the negative 16, and you drop it right here. Right here. Okay, there we go. All right. So then I go to the next problem that it leads to, negative 15 plus 59. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put them into my T-chart, take the smaller one over, whichever sign I'm under, that's going to be my answer, okay? When you are multiplying and dividing, remember, if you multiply, a negative times a negative equals a positive. A positive times a positive equals a positive, but if the signs are different, a positive and a negative, that's when you get a negative. When you're at multiplying and dividing, same signs will give you a positive answer. Different signs will give you a negative answer. So positive times a positive gives you a positive, etc. Okay? Remember also, if you have, let's see, a problem like this, and I think you do get to this one. So when you have 18 minus negative 43, minus a negative, remember we keep, so if it's a subtraction sign in the middle, you keep change. So you change that to a plus and change this to a plus. And then we would just add them together, okay? Same thing right here. These two negatives will become a plus. Now this may or may not be one that you get to, but if you did get to that one, that would become a plus, okay? So, different signs, subtract, keep the sign of the larger number, so your answer should be positive. Let's see, anything else? Remember, if it's a subtraction sign, keep, change. So change that to plus, and then change that to negative 70. So keep the first number the same, change the sign, and then change the sign of the second number. Okay, hopefully that gives you some hints. I don't want to do all your work for you, but just remember as you do them to move the pieces. So for instance, if you got positive 7 on this one, you would drag this piece over. That is not the answer. Don't get that. You can always move them back if you mess up. Any other questions, please call me, send me a message. I will be happy to help you some more. Just let me know what you need. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.